What's up guys, it's your boy John. We are back again here with another video. Today we'll be taking a look at the Acura Integra Type S. Now if you're gonna do more modifications and you really love the turbo noises, the first thing you generally want to do is get an intake. After that you can get a bypass valve or blow off valve. So for 100% recirculating is the way to go. So that's what I did. I went with the Boomba one. I have a video on that. And then you can also change this piece right here. It looks like a really nice piece, very OEM, but I kind of restricted, and it has this weird resonator that I heard it kind of stops the sound a little bit. So we'll make the comparison and I'll be the judge if it sounds good. So let me show you the packaging from PRL itself. I already kind of opened it because they have a box just to hold the inlet tube, the titanium inlet tube. So here it is. And they have it nicely wrapped. We have the piece that bolts onto the turbo. Nice. And then we have all the affiliated hoses with it too, which is nice. PRL, PRL, PRL. All right, to remove this, you remove these two bolts up here, or on this right here. There's one on the top, and then there's where the tube meets, you'll see a few more, and then I believe these are just 10s, so 12 on the bottoms, and then 10 here. I'm not gonna bore you. If you look at it, you'll see how it goes. Honestly, it's not too terribly hard. I really just want to do a sound comparison. All right, I'm gonna put in the new hose clamps. Just finessing the hose clamps. Yeah, so the great thing about the PRL is the FL5 and DE5s have like this bracket right here that kind of holds this vacuum line or whatever this tube is, and then also just holds this other stuff, where you can bolt two 10s and it keeps everything really tidy. And then of course the electronic waste controller. Just have to make this all in one direction just to be pretty, and then just tighten it down and we should be good to go. All right, so after bolting everything in, very easy to install. Again, this piece I used for the HVI intake. I changed out this one, even though the HVI came with its own one. I used the one that's included with the inlet per instructions. I also, of course, you need that one right there. Everything's snugged in pretty tightly. 10 mil right here that we were talking about, just easier to see that with the this piece. It's a little bit cleaner than the OEM one's, a little bit bulkier. And yeah, these are the two 10s I was talking about. Let's start with a comparison because that's what I'm interested in here. Sure, it looks like a nice bling piece, but I actually really like the OEM piece. So yeah, if it performs better and sounds better, that's all the bling I need. Rolled up. I'll leave this left window a little bit open. So the PRL Turbo Inlet, what do I think of it? I think it's a great piece in terms of aftermarket part. It's packaged well, it fits well. It's solid. Build construction's great. Now the sound quality, I can't tell you that it sounds quieter. Maybe louder. I can't tell you either or. I can for sure tell you it doesn't sound quieter. Like, whew, I mean, that sounds good. So if you're looking for a substantial upgrade in sound quality in terms of volume, this isn't it. The PRL HVI is enclosed, so it's not like the most open box, but no heat soak. That's great. And the turbo inlet on top of that should in theory help smooth it out, free up the motion, increase the diameter a little bit. And I can't tell the difference in terms of sound, but maybe the comparison video can show something different. Anyways, the PRL intake with the PRL turbo inlet, it's a good product. It's a nice bling piece, titanium. That's cool. But yeah, if you guys were interested in this product, I'll leave a link down below. Catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out, and keep going forward. Not moving forward, going forward.